Woodworking can be one of the most rewarding and creative hobbies, but it can also be frustrating. You buy the wood, get your tools ready, find a project online, and then realize the plan is missing steps, unclear, or just doesn't work. That's exactly why Teds Woodworking has become a favorite among DIYers, hobbyists, and even professional carpenters. With over 16,000 detailed plans, step-by-step instructions, and material lists, Ted's system doesn't just give you ideas, it gives you the tools to succeed. Whether you're just starting out or have been building for years, Ted's Woodworking helps you turn your projects into real results. I've already left the official website link down below. Check the description for the manufacturer's official page, but stick around because I have an important alert to share. What is Ted's Woodworking? Ted's Woodworking is a massive online collection of woodworking projects created by Ted McGrath, a certified master woodworker with decades of experience. Inside the program, you get access to more than 16,000 woodworking plans, covering everything from furniture, dressers, chairs, tables, beds, outdoor projects, sheds, tree houses, dog houses, small crafts, toys, birdhouses, cutting boards, business ideas, items you can build and sell, advanced cabinetry, and home improvement projects. It's the most comprehensive woodworking resource you'll likely ever come across. While there are thousands of free woodworking plans online, most are incomplete, confusing, or lack diagrams. Ted's Woodworking stands out because it's beginner-friendly. No guesswork. Each plan walks you through the process, from materials to finished piece, with crystal-clear instructions. Every project includes step-by-step directions, detailed blueprints and sharp 3D diagrams, material and cutting lists, so you know exactly what to buy and how to cut it. No waste, no surprises. It's suitable for all skill levels. Whether you're a total newbie or a pro, the plans scale to your experience. You actually finish projects. The structure and simplicity help you go from idea to completion without getting stuck. What's included in the program? Over 150 instructional videos showing techniques in action, DWG and CAD plan viewer for advanced blueprint access, a complete woodworking guide for beginners, bonus plans for furniture, home projects, and more, one-on-one email support if you need help with any plan, instant access to all 16,000 plus plans. Where to buy woodworking? Like I said earlier, here's an important alert. If you really want to become a great woodworker, you need to buy Ted's Woodworking only from the official website. There are a lot of other places claiming to sell it, but the real product is only available through the official link, which I've included in the description below. So go now and check it out.